relationship.
This is a national emergency. TV and radio programming have been interrupted during this national emergency. At this time, hundreds of calls were sent to the police station due to an ongoing situation in this area. Reports about an ongoing outbreak turning people into animated objects was just issued by the Tennessee Police Department and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At this time, please listen to the following instructions. Lock your doors and windows that lead outdoors. Turn off ventilation systems that bring outside air. Shelter in place immediately. Failure to follow these instructions will result in infection and transformation. Stay tuned for more information.
Bounty, the quicker picker-upper. Where does your almond milk come from?
Almond Breeze starts here with our almond trees in our Blue Diamond Orchard in California.
We have just received this important announcement regarding the outbreak. 1 day ago, an outbreak that turned people into animated objects were first reported in Tennessee, Nashville. It was spreading rapidly and is now considered a nationwide threat. At this time, please listen and follow these instructions. Lock all doors and windows, no matter if they lead outdoors or not. Turn off ventilation systems that lead outside air. Remain calm at all times. You may likely be in a heavily infected zone. For more information, please contact the U.S. Military Army at 1-877-233-6712 or stay tuned to local media.